morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the why health and safety management system should be audited. First question is there. Today we are discuss about this question. If you have if you are a safety professional, if you have already deployed in any organizations for safety manager officer position, then you should understand why you should health safety management system audit at workplace. So guys, what is ISO 45001? What is audit? As per ISO 45001 and 2080, there is guideline mentioned in this rules, in this certifications. And if audit is a systematic approach and written formal evaluate the risk and evaluate the gap analysis in your organizations and focus to two things: one, positive things and negative things, and evaluate and explain to improvement purpose. That is called a ISO. That is called a audit system. ISO in simple language, this is a systematic approach to evaluate risk hazards, and your process is to work evaluate where is gap in your system. Then that can improvement in systematic approach as per you have to mention and you have to plan. So guys, two types of things, two factors is mentions. It is normally processed out by the auditors. If you have two types of audit systems will be there. First is internal audit, second thing external audit. Who is internal audit doing? If you have, suppose that I am working in our organizations, my company also taking ISO 45001 2018, then company defined the 3, 4, 5 auditors, and every auditors audit to others projects. That called internal audit. Means organizations identify the persons who is capable, who is well knowledgeable, experienced persons and trained persons, and train them, then and mark and then certify the any project managers and do the audit to others projects. That called internal audit. External audit means third party audit. Suppose that we have ISO 45001, then every year and every years external audit should be audit our organization, who has to write and who has to issue certificate ISO 45001. Because of them and need to be, you have take the ISO 45001 certifications, then you have to follow or not follow in process. So guys, internal and external audit, two types of audit there mentioned, internal and external. After that, going to discuss about what is positive things to audits. First, positive things of audit. If you have conducted a audit, then evaluate your risk and hazards control measures. If there is gap to work, then identify and you have to control and you have to proactively improvement. Second thing, every you have to plan to goal achievement of target, any targets related the occupational health safety management system. Then you have to fail the plan, we have to fail to fail to achievements, then evaluate in this audit process and ask two questions: why you should not achieve this targets. So this is a questionnaire and need to be answered give to auditors, and auditors a sampling test your whole entire organization. So guys, first thing is they are mentioned whether the implement is done correctly, whether it is not done correctly, then evaluate in this audit process for improvement purpose. The result, two types, the result of audit systems. If you have a face a audit system, there is main critical point identifications and give the some ANSI and for improvement purpose at your organization by auditors and suggestion to better improvement your organization. So guys, this is a all of us audit system is a very good and very initiative to develop a systematic approach to health safety management system at workplaces. So guys, this is very important to evaluate our job and organization's job, what are going wrong, what are going wrong and what are going to good. Both are evaluate. If you are doing the well work, if you are doing the good practices, then auditor also appreciate to you have follow the good system, health safety managing system at workplace. If you have any face the problems during the audit systems, you have they have identification some critical hazards, and you have not any control measure, no any documentation process, then they can raise the ANSI for improvement purpose. So it is a structure for way to audit process and performance to audit performance and approach to inspection, approach to check your documentation. First, documentation check, records verifications. If you have any records related the work, then they can verify your documentations, and after that interview with your staffs, workers, supervisors, direct supervisors, interview auditors also freedom to check and freedom to take interview any staff like project manager, supervisor, and someone's going on site, working on site. They can directly ask to supervisor and questionnaires to some staffs and workers how much prepare and how much competency levels of electricals and others staff. So second thing, direct observations. If any auditors audit your project, then directly go through on site and check the work activity and directly check with the workers staffs on thoroughly, and there is any gap mentioned, then they can raise the ANSI, they can rise to improvement purpose, they can write to stop the work memo. So guys, this is a good positive things related the audit systems for improvement a health safety management system at or any organization in our entire India and entire world. Second thing, negatives. What is negative of auditing? because of positive thing is a very better, but some negative and disadvantage, that call disadvantage. First thing, this is a very lengthy process. If audit process is, we have to prepare 5 days 7 days before, and there is some times time spent, because of if you have a working a construction organization, then also face the problems. If any audits is scheduled, then before 7 days we have preparing sites presentations, we have preparing documentations process, and staffs, train them staffs because of challenge of our work, unskilled workers. So this process is very lengthy, and everyone's fear to how much answer is given by auditor. So this is a fact to negative things by anyone. To demonstrate the leadership, if you are scheduled the audit system, then your project manager, senior management also very difficult to face audit, because of there is nothing housekeeping improvement, there is all in housekeeping like others work pressures. So this is a negative, easily time spend of time, loss of your productivity due to if you have not followed the systematic or the system at your workplace, because of you have a project managers. If you have a project managers, then housekeeping is very bad in your project. Then this is a difficult to one times improvement housekeeping. So this is a negative with related the audit system. And also you know that if you are working a construction company, also face that problem. After that, friends, we discuss about the what is type of audit systems. You know that there is 2-3 types of audit system also is there. If you have working a construction company, first is ISO 45001. ISO 45000 occupational health safety management system. Means your safety product service and safety, means safety occupational health safety related audit system. First, second thing, quality audit. You know that quality audit, if you have taken the ISO 9001 2015, then need to be follow the ISO 9001 quality system audit. Means your quality audits. After that, your product audit. Someone how much product purchase, how much building sale, product audit. That one, and system product audit, environment audit. Separate environment. So guys, ISO 9001, 14001 and 45001. 3 audit is a basic requirement at construction industry. Quality audits, quality with production audit, and second thing, occupational health safety management system related the health while worker working at your workplace. Second thing, environmental audit. If you have working a construction company and any industry, what is impact of environment for your work activity? So this is a main process of audit system. Yes, again tomorrow we will discuss about the audit points, why advantage, disadvantage, and how to go thoroughly check the audit system. Thank you. Today we have completed. If you have any questions, we can ask to me by message. Thanks.